I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on a very chilly Tuesday afternoon across central Illinois, where we've seen a mix of sun and clouds. We're recording this at around 3:30 in the afternoon, and it is brutally cold in Peoria. 23. Hard to believe we were into the mid-50s around this time yesterday. Winds out of the west around 25 miles an hour. Pretty much low to 20s, even a few upper teens area-wide. Winds still blustery, around 20 to 30 miles per hour. So the more important number, what it feels like outside, wind chills are all in the single digits across central Illinois. Quite the change from yesterday, a good almost 30 degrees colder than where we were. So a big swing in temperatures, and we're gearing up for a very cold overnight tonight. As you can see, the clouds continuing to break. We're going to be left with clear conditions as we head through the evening and overnight. And that will allow temperatures to take the big plunge as we head into the overnight as well. I think overnight lows area-wide fall to the single digits, around 8 in Peoria, 6 in Bloomington, 6 in Pontiac, 7 in Lakin. But wind chill readings are going to be well below zero here in the city, probably getting anywhere between right at zero and possibly even 10 below at times as we get started for our Wednesday morning across the region. All right, let's advance here. We're going to be dry tonight and into Wednesday as well. So let's talk about this next system that will be coming in on Thursday. If you follow along on Facebook and Twitter, you know that winter storm watch has been issued for most of central Illinois, with the exception of the counties along I-55 and pretty much along I-39, exception being Marshall and Woodford counties. This will go through tomorrow night and into early Friday morning. So let's time out everything here on Futurecast. And this possibly may be running a little bit faster than what may actually take place. Some of the new models that are coming out are starting to slow the system up. But we started you off at midnight Thursday where we're dry. 7 a.m. morning commute, I think, should be okay Thursday. It'll be more so into the early afternoon at the earliest. The window we're probably thinking of when we start to see the snow falling, early afternoon to maybe late afternoon. That's when we'll start to see a lot of the snow starting to at least start. You notice that we're not far from the line of where snow and freezing rain may mix together. I think the snow is probably going to be a little bit further south than what this particular model is showing. More of a freezing rain event probably south of Interstate 72. So this is probably going to be all snow for all of us here in central Illinois. But nonetheless, wintry precipitation through much of our Thursday evening and into the overnight. We'll start to see it taper off by early Friday morning. A few lingering snow showers mixing in with freezing rain as temperatures actually will warm up a little bit as we head into our Friday afternoon. As far as snowfall accumulation goes, this is my initial map, and I've had a lot of comments on Facebook. Yes, there's a lot of other maps that are actually having higher numbers than this. But again, keep in mind, we are still a couple of days out. This is an evolving system, and so the forecast must evolve with this system as well. That is still just now starting to take shape in the western portions of the country. So we still have a long way to go before the system actually takes aim on us. But this is my initial thought process as far as how much snow we're going to see. I think 2 to 4 inches, and a lot of the area that you see in blue, especially the further west you go, probably going to be on the higher end of that 4-inch mark. And then higher amounts even further west when you get up to around Galesburg, Kewanee, Macomb, where you could get close to a half a foot of snow. So again, stay tuned. This is going to be a changing forecast. You can guarantee that as we roll over the next couple of days. But just note that, again, we do have a very, very good possibility of accumulating snow, especially for the Thursday evening commute, and probably could be very tricky for Friday morning going into work and school as well. We'll continue to keep you updated if we see any major changes in the snow potential for this forecast as we head into Thursday and Friday. For tonight, we are bitter cold, 8, with, again, wind chills below zero. Tomorrow will be chilly as well. We'll actually see the winds relax a little bit with highs into the mid-20s, but still well below average. Normal high for this time of year should be close to 40. Again, there's your snow chance on Thursday, maybe some lingering wintry mixed precipitation early Friday morning. Weekend looks dry, and again, half and half. Chilly to start the weekend, highs in the low 30s, but we're back into the low 40s by Sunday to wrap up the weekend.